are going to be adding time. So the first example that I'm going to work with is 5 hours and 41 minutes. We are adding 2 hours and 18 minutes. Maybe we can say something started at 5:41 p.m. Want to know what time it will finish, something like that. So here we go. We add 41 plus 18 minutes first, because you see I separated minutes and hours. So we work the hours and minutes separately. So we start with the minutes on the units. So here we go 1 plus 8 is 9, then 4 plus 1 is 5, then we get the colon, then 5 plus 2 is 7. So if something started at 5:41 p.m. and it lasted for 2 hours and 18 minutes, it will end at 7:59 p.m. Right, let's look at this one. Let's say 7:50 a.m. and this thing lasted for 6 hours and 35 minutes. We want to see what time it will finish. Right, so 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 7 plus 6 is 13. But look here, we have 85, which is more than 85 is more than 60. So we cannot have 1385 as time. We can only add up to 59 there. So when it gets to 60, it makes up another hour. So we're going to remove 1 hour from that 85. So we have to subtract 85. We just come here, say 85 minus 60. We have 5 there. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. So 60 is the 1 hour that we are going to add there, isn't it? Then the 25 minutes is the one that will come on this side. So let's write it. So 25 there. Then here we now have 13 plus 1 is 14. So the final answer is 14:25, which is 2 p.m. to 12-hour clock. Right, let's look at this one here. Something started at 5:56 and it lasted just 55 minutes. So we are adding 6 plus 1 is 11. So we write 1 carry 1. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus the 1 we've carried, it's 11 again. So we have 111 minutes there. So this side we have 5 plus nothing, it's 5. So we cannot have 111 past 5. No. So still we have to subtract 1 hour from 111. We subtract 1 hour. 160 minutes means 1 hour. So here 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 11 minus 6 is 5. This means that here I have 51. Then on this side I will add 1. So here plus 1, it becomes 6. So it ended at 6:51. So that's how we add time.